People come to my page and ask, with all the intelligence and technology that ancient Africa had, how come our ancestors lost the battle? Today, I'm here to answer that question with a simple no. Our ancestors were not defeated. They just stopped fighting. They changed strategy because if they would have continued to fight, none of us would be here. Our ancestors are people who lived studying the stars and nature. And through studying the universal cycles, they knew that leaving your descendants intrinsic genetic wealth is 1,001 times better than leaving your descendants material, superficial wealth. They knew that the legacy of material wealth vanishes with time, but genetic memories, genetic skills, genetic wisdom, genetic talents, genetic excellence lives forever. Where is proof of this, you may ask? 100% of African languages have sayings and proverbs that do not exist in colonial languages because they were secrets meant only for the descendants. For example, there's a saying in Nilotic Luo that goes, Raura tone tek. In Bantu Agikuyu, this same saying goes, Kigwoya, Kiainokeire, Nina, Gekegima. This same saying in the English language will translate to, it's not easy for a coward to die. A coward always goes back to the mother alive. When you study the world wars, you realize that while Europe was busy engaging in the technology of eating, sleeping, mating, and mostly defending, ancient Africa never believed in constructing of artificial devices for temporary artificial convenience at the expense of nature. Ancient Africa was mainly developing towards spirituality. The pyramid had gold on top for the balancing of the earth's chakra. Ancient African universities mainly taught people consciousness and ascensions to other dimensions. While Africans were busy building the pyramids, Europe was busy building ammunitions and nuclear bombs. So when Africans couldn't fight guns using bows and arrows, a new strategy had to be developed. They knew if they taught their descendants reverse psychology, tough love, and hid secrets in their vernacular languages and their fabrics, their descendants would remain docile, hibernate like the concept of seed dormancy, and survive until it was safe, because the coward always survives. When you read the story of Moses in the Bible or watch the video as it has been portrayed in Beyonce's song Other Side, you will realize that our ancestors put us in a basket of forgetfulness and dropped us in the cruel currents of reverse psychology, self-hate, gaslight, inferiority complex, mental health, just so we could survive, because the other side is now. The battle was never lost.